Welcome to Cars Trends, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi Q8 e-tron, a vehicle that redefines luxury in the electric SUV market. Stick around as we explore its groundbreaking features, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Imagine gliding down the highway in a vehicle that not only exudes elegance but also embodies the future of automotive technology. The 2025 Audi Q8 e-tron is that vehicle, seamlessly blending sophisticated design with cutting-edge electric performance. The Q8 e-tron's exterior is a testament to Audi's commitment to design excellence. Its sleek lines and aerodynamic profile are not just for show, they contribute to a drag coefficient as low as 0.27, enhancing efficiency and range. The front fascia features Audi's iconic single-frame grille, now enclosed to signify its electric heart, flanked by matrix LED headlights that adapt to driving conditions, ensuring optimal illumination without dazzling oncoming traffic. The sculpted sides and 21-inch alloy wheels provide a commanding presence, while the sloping roofline adds a touch of sportiness, culminating in a rear adorned with a continuous LED light strip, emphasizing the vehicle's width and stability. Stepping inside the Q8 e-tron, you're greeted by an environment where luxury meets technology. Premium materials such as Valcona leather and open-pore wood inlays create an ambiance of refined comfort. The dual touchscreen MMI system serves as the command center, offering intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus presents vital driving information on a crisp 12.3-inch display, customizable to the driver's preferences. Ambient lighting with multiple color options allows you to set the mood, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, and with a luggage capacity of up to 660 liters, the Q8 e-tron is as practical as it is luxurious. Under the hood, the Q8 e-tron boasts a dual-motor setup delivering up to 300 kilowatts, 402 horsepower, and 664 newton-meters of torque, propelling the SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.7 seconds. The 114 kilowatt-hours battery provides a real-world range of approximately 447 kilometers, ensuring you can embark on long journeys with confidence. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability across various terrains, while adaptive air suspension offers a smooth ride, automatically adjusting the vehicle's height based on speed and driving conditions. Energy recuperation technology contributes to efficiency, reclaiming energy during deceleration and braking to extend your driving range. The Q8 e-tron is a showcase of Audi's technological prowess. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic jam assist, enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue. The optional Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, turning every drive into a concert on wheels. Additionally, the vehicle offers over-the-air updates, ensuring your Q8 e-tron stays current with the latest software enhancements without the need for a dealership visit. Practicality is not sacrificed in the pursuit of luxury. The Q8 e-tron offers ample cargo space, with a rear compartment that can accommodate up to 660 liters, expandable by folding the rear seats. The flat floor design provides additional legroom for rear passengers, enhancing comfort on longer trips. Towing capabilities are impressive for an electric vehicle, with the ability to tow up to 1,800 kilograms, making it suitable for transporting recreational equipment or trailers. Multiple charging options, including fast charging capabilities that can replenish 80% of the battery in approximately 30 minutes, ensure that the Q8 e-tron is ready for both daily commutes and extended adventures. In the competitive landscape of luxury electric SUVs, the Audi Q8 e-tron distinguishes itself with a harmonious blend of performance, technology, and design. It appeals to discerning drivers seeking an eco-friendly vehicle that doesn't compromise on comfort or style. With a starting price that reflects its premium positioning, the Q8 e-tron offers a compelling alternative to rivals such as the Tesla Model X and Mercedes-Benz EQC, providing a driving experience that is both exhilarating and responsible. In conclusion, the 2025 Audi Q8 e-tron represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of electric vehicles, embodying Audi's vision for a sustainable yet luxurious future. Its combination of advanced technology, impressive performance, and elegant design makes it a standout choice for those ready to embrace the electric revolution. If you found this review insightful, Please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Cars Trends for more expert reviews and the latest automotive news.